AT&T signal loss on iPhones and Androids can be frustrating. It's generally caused by network congestion, device issues, or environmental factors like buildings. AT&T's 5G Plus network aims to improve reliability, but outages still occur due to infrastructure, cyber threats, or hardware failures. Know your carrier signals: LTE for reliable connectivity, 5G for speed, and Wi-Fi calling as a fallback. Updates like iOS 18.3 and Android 15 include better network diagnostics. Urban coverage has improved, but rural and indoor areas remain inconsistent. Start with the basics. First, restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Check your network settings and ensure your APN settings are correct. APN phone, proxy, and port should be blank. Update your phone's software to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs that affect signal strength. Physically inspect your SIM card, make sure it is not damaged, and reseat it. Finally, ensure your phone is not in airplane mode. If basic steps don't work, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This resets your network connections and can resolve signal problems. Next, forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect. This clears any saved network issues that might interfere with cellular signal. For Android users, enable VoLTE and VoWi-Fi in your settings. This improves voice and data over cellular networks. For iPhone users, check for carrier settings updates in General Settings. These updates can fix carrier-specific signal issues. AT&T's mobile app provides signal maps, allowing you to identify areas with known coverage issues. Use the app to diagnose potential network problems in your location. This can help you determine if the signal loss is a widespread issue or specific to your device or location. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and still experience signal loss, it's time to contact AT&T support or visit an AT&T store. They can diagnose carrier-specific issues and provide solutions tailored to your account and device. AT&T support can also check for outages in your area. SIM cards can cause signal problems if damaged or not properly activated. AT&T support verifies if your SIM card is active and provisioned correctly. They also check for account-related issues that might affect service. If necessary, AT&T provides a new SIM card to fix connectivity problems. AT&T is shifting towards 5G standalone networks for lower latency and better signal stability. AI-driven network optimization predicts and mitigates outages, reducing incident response times. Future upgrades include 6G trials by 2028 and satellite partnerships for rural coverage. Increasing IoT device use could worsen congestion unless AT&T invests more in spectrum. The November 2024 outage affected 1.5 million users across 11 states due to a software glitch in AT&T's core network routers. iPhone users experienced persistent no-service messages, but AT&T resolved it with over-the-air updates pushed to devices. Chicago's small cell deployment from 2023 to 2025 installed over 10,000 small cells in urban areas. This reduced indoor signal loss by 40%, with Android users seeing improved 5G speeds after initial iOS compatibility issues were fixed via software updates. Hurricane-induced failures in 2024, like during Hurricane Zeta in Florida, caused network drops for hours, affecting emergency responders. AT&T invested $2 billion in resilient infrastructure, including backup generators, to improve recovery times. Staying informed about these real-world examples helps understand potential causes of signal loss and the solutions AT&T implements. From software fixes to infrastructure upgrades, these cases show how network issues are addressed.